Hello and welcome to the Kayros Academy. In this video, we will discuss private keys and public keys, what they are, how they are fundamental components of your digital identity in the context of Web3, and how your wallet, which stores these keys securely, serves as your digital identity. Your avatar, name, age, email address, login credentials are all pieces of information that contribute to defining your identity. Current methods of obtaining, storing, and sharing personal information work, but they have limitations. Losing your ID card can mean undergoing a long process to obtain a new one. Managing multiple username and logins can be a real pain. Imagine if you could own and control all of your personal information, have it centralized in one place, and easily accessible. This is where crypto wallets come in, as they are what allows you to store in one place the information that identifies you. This information being your private key and public key. In the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain, your private key and public key are two critical components that enable you to transact securely on the network. When we talk about transactions on the blockchain, we don't mean just financial transactions, but also interacting with websites, proving ownership of a piece of digital art, and more. Your private key and public key are what provide you with a secure and confident means for interacting with blockchain applications and services. They are cryptographic keys that are used to identify, authenticate, and secure transactions. A private key is a secret code that is used to sign transactions on the blockchain network. Each user has a unique private key that is generated by their crypto wallet when they create one. It is a long string of letters and numbers that should be kept secret and never shared with anyone. A public key, on the other hand, is a code that is derived from a private key. It is a shorter string of letters and numbers that is used to verify transactions on the blockchain network. The public key can be shared with other users. It is used to verify the digital signature on transactions that are signed by the private key. It serves as your identifier. When transacting on the blockchain network, individuals use their private key to sign their transactions, which creates a digital signature that is unique to their identity. The corresponding public key is used to verify the digital signature and ensure that the transaction is authentic and secure. When creating a crypto wallet, you are assigned a unique private key and public key pair. Your crypto wallet serves as a secure storage space for these keys. This is why your crypto wallet, which houses your private key and public key, can be considered your digital identity. Now, it's worth mentioning that new approaches to online identity that go beyond the keys themselves are being developed in Web3, such as self-sovereign identity, also known as SSI, and Decentralized Identity, also known as DID. SSI and DID use private key and public key cryptography as a foundation for creating and managing digital identities, but also include a person's personal information, such as their name, age, address, and other attributes. More specifically, SSI is the idea that individuals should be the primary owners and controllers of their own digital identity. DID is a specific implementation of SSI that uses decentralized technologies such as blockchain to create and manage identities and is built on the W3C protocol for decentralized identifiers, also known as DIDs. With SSI and DID, individuals have more control over their personal information and online identity and can selectively share that information with others as needed. By using a crypto wallet that supports SSI and DID, users can have even greater control over their digital identity and maintain ownership of both their private keys and personal data. We hope that it has shed some light on what makes up your digital identity in the Web3 landscape. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.